In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and upload products on TikTok Shop. First, make sure you have a TikTok Shop seller account. Open your account and sign in to your seller dashboard. This is where you'll manage your catalog, track performance, and make updates to your listings. Having access to the dashboard is essential before you can upload anything. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Products section. Click Products to open your catalog area where all your current and future listings live. Then choose Add Products. This opens the product creation page, which you'll work through from top to bottom. Start by uploading images of your product. Choose clear, well-lit photos that accurately show the item from multiple angles. Aim for high resolution, avoid heavy filters or watermarks, and keep backgrounds clean so the product stands out. If your item comes in different colors or styles, include images that show each option. Consistent, sharp visuals help customers trust what they're seeing and reduce questions or returns. Next, enter your product name and select the most accurate category. Keep the name clear and descriptive, using the words a shopper would search for. Avoid special characters or promotional phrases. Picking the right category is important for discovery and policy compliance, so choose the closest match to what you're actually selling. If you're between two categories, go with the one that best reflects the primary use of the item. After that, enter a detailed product description. Explain what the product is, who it's for, and what's included. Call out key features like materials, dimensions, scents or flavors, compatibility, or care instructions. Keep it honest and specific, and avoid claims that can't be verified. Helpful, accurate descriptions improve conversion and reduce customer confusion. Add a video to bring your listing to life. A short clip showing the product in use or highlighting its best features can make a big difference. Film in good light, keep the framing steady, and make sure the video matches what's in your images and description. Authentic demonstrations often perform better than overly polished ads. Once everything looks good, click Submit for review. TikTok will review your listing to ensure it meets their quality and policy guidelines. This can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. You can check the status in your dashboard, and if any changes are requested, update your listing and submit again. That's it. Open your TikTok Shop account, click Products, add your product, upload images, enter the name, select a category, write a clear description, add a video, and submit for review. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to showcase your products on TikTok Shop.